If you love coffee and you love protein, this recipe is for you. Our caramel latte ice shaken espresso is perfect for individuals who have had weight loss surgery and are struggling to meet their protein goals, especially if it's warmer outside. Having a little cold beverage mixed with protein makes meeting your protein goal super, super easy. The ingredients are 8 ounces of dairy or dairy alternative, a drizzle of sugar-free caramel sauce, espresso, and a caramel latte meal replacement. So our caramel latte meal replacement shake has 27 grams of whey and soy protein isolate. So this is a complete protein shake. It is perfect for on the go. It's great if you want to make your iced lattes and add a little bit of protein, making your Proffee or your protein coffee as a great added easy way to get your protein in. So first we're going to take our simple shaker bottle. We're going to pour our 8 ounces of our milk or your dairy alternative if you're lactose intolerant right into your shaker. We're going to add our espresso. Now you can also use decaf espresso if you need to. And then very easily we're going to grab our meal replacement powder. We're going to pour that in. So smooth. And we're going to shake. Okay, so after we shake up our iced latte, we're going to add our caramel sauce and just drizzle it along the inside of the glass. Now you absolutely do not have to do this. It's just a little fun way to make it look pretty. Okay, so we'll drizzle some caramel along the inside of the glass. We're going to add our ice. And then we just pour our shake right on top. So there you have it, a simple and easy caramel latte iced shaken espresso.